Why did angels bow to Adam? Not because Adam was made of clay. Not because he was the first human. They bowed because Allah commanded them. But there was more. Adam carried something unique. Knowledge. Allah presented Adam before the angels and asked them to name things. The angels admitted, "We have no knowledge except what you have taught us." Then Adam spoke. He named what angels could not. Knowledge became the reason for his honor. This was a message for all of humanity. Status is not in origin. It is in what you are given and how you use it. Angels bowed, not to worship Adam, but to honor Allah's wisdom. Iblis refused. His problem was not Adam. His problem was arrogance. And arrogance is the oldest enemy of mankind. From this moment, humanity learned a powerful lesson. Knowledge raises you. Arrogance destroys you. And every human life would now be a test between the two. History begins with a lesson. Follow History Recap.